Together, as you can see, the students are playing a game. But what kind of game are they playing? I know. But wait, before that, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Ani.
And my name is Nuri.
My name is Keisha. Together,
We are the innovator of Math of Life.
This project supports SDG 4, quality education, by promoting inclusive and effective learning experience for students.
It aligns with SDG 4.1, which focuses on ensuring quality education at the primary level and secondary level.
It also aligns with SDG 4.4 by helping students develop relevant skills for future access, such as problem solving, decision making, and basic financial literacy.
Many students find linear equality of two variables confusing. They often memorize the steps without really understanding behind them.
However, in real life, we constantly make decisions with limits, such as budgeting money and managing time. These situations are actually real-life examples of inequalities.
Linear inequalities are often seen as a difficult topic, especially by Form 4 students, as they are usually taught using traditional methods.
This method often involves textbook and worksheet, causing students to memorize steps without truly understanding the concept.
As a result, students lose interest and struggle to apply linear inequalities in real-life situations, creating a gap between theory and practice.
The targeted content of our project is linear inequalities, focusing on solving linear inequalities step by step.
It also includes understanding solution range and how inequalities work in different mathematical situations.
This project is mainly designed for secondary school students, especially those learning linear inequalities for the first time with real-life applications.
By combining visual elements, logical problem solving, and hands-on interaction, learning becomes less stressful and more enjoyable for students.
This game uses zone board pads, icons, and problem solving with formulas to help students understand linear inequalities step by step.
Hands-on interactions such as power cards and decision-making keep students actively involved, making learning linear inequalities fun and meaningful.
Our game is called Math of Life, inspired by the concept of the game of life, where choices made by players affect their outcomes.
In this game, players move through different life scenarios, and each scenario presents a challenge involving a linear inequality.
Players must choose values or paths that satisfy the inequality to progress, learning that choices come with conditions and consequences in real life.
Now we will explain how to play Math of Life. When the player enters the game, the starting screen appears. The player chooses the number of players, which can be 2, 3, or 4, then presses the Start Game button. Next, the player selects an adventure path. The left path is easy with simpler questions. The center path is medium and balanced, while the right path is hard with more challenging inequality questions.
After choosing a path, the game begins. Players take turns rolling the dice to move along the board. Whenever a player lands on a challenge space, they must answer a linear inequality question, and the player must choose the correct inequality to represent it and submit their answer.
If the answer is correct, the path unlocks and the player moves forward, sometimes earning gold as a reward. If incorrect, the path is blocked and the player must try again on the next turn. Players can use gold in the shop to buy items such as hints, skips, or lucky rolls. The game continues until a player reaches the final tile first. Through this gameplay, students learn to apply linear inequalities in real-life situations in a fun and interactive way.
The materials used to develop this project include digital design tools such as Canva for creating visual elements.
It also involves mathematical knowledge related to linear inequalities to ensure the content is accurate and meaningful.
In addition, simple devices like mobile phones and laptops are used, making the materials easily accessible and cost-effective.
After playing Math of Life, students will be able to solve linear inequalities correctly with more confidence.
They will also understand solution range better and learn how to apply inequalities to real-life situations.
In addition, students will improve their problem-solving skills and develop a more positive attitude towards mathematics.
By the end of the lesson, students will be able to solve linear inequality problems with confidence and accuracy.
They will also be able to interpret inequality symbols and condition correctly and understand what each part of an inequality represents.
This understanding helps students apply inequalities to different problems, make connections to real-life situations, and build interest in mathematics.
The chart shows the students' quiz results before they played the Math of Life game. Most students scored low to moderate marks, with the majority of scores falling below 50.
This indicates that many students had not yet mastered the concept of linear inequalities before using the game. The results suggest that traditional learning methods may be less effective in helping students understand the topic deeply.
These findings highlight the need for more interactive and engaging learning approaches. By incorporating such methods, students can develop a better grasp of the concept and enjoy more effective learning experience.
Based on the graph, students' quiz results improved after playing the Math of Life game. Many students who previously scored low or moderate marks showed higher scores after the activity.
This suggests that interactive learning helps students understand linear inequalities more effectively than traditional methods. The game encourages engagement, making the concept easier to grasp.
Overall, the graph highlights the positive impact of using games in learning. Interactive approaches can enhance understanding, boost confidence, and make the learning experience more enjoyable for students. Based on students' feedback after playing and experiencing the game shown in the video, Math of Life is seen as a fun and interactive learning tool that helps them understand linear inequalities more easily.
To conclude, Math of Life is more than just a board game. It is a fun and interactive way for students to learn linear inequalities without feeling stressed.
Instead of only using textbook, students get to move, think, and make a decision while playing the games.
Overall, Math of Life makes learning mathematics more enjoyable and meaningful.
That's all from us.
Bye!